Okay guys, so this video right here is going to be about measuring angles, and it's just me showing you more how to be able to measure an angle. So I want you to look at this circle with me. The bottom line, I've put the vertex or this point of my angle in the middle, and I have a line coming out, so it's at 0 degrees. Then I come up and check at where it's at. Right now, if I look, this was 0, so this would be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So if you look, there's a long line. It's the number before it that's the degree that it matches. So this is 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. So what would this be? You're right, it would be 80 degrees. So I'm going to type it in right here. 80 degrees. And I'm just going to do that. I don't know how to make the degree sign. Okay. This next one, like before, I have my vertex in the center and it's coming straight across to the 0. So I want you to try, what do you think this one's going to be? Okay, so remember, this line right here is 130. This line's 140. Did it quite get to 145? No, it's one jump before, so that means it would be 130, 131, 132. Then there's 133. It would be 134 degrees. 134 degrees. Okay. This one, like it before, the vertex is in the circle. It's going straight to 0, and then I come up, and it's landing right here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is 100, so this is 120, 130, so it landed right on. Whoops. Then on 125 degrees. Okay, same concept here. Have my ray, so the point where they meet right here in the circle comes out, it's right on the 0, and it came up here, and if you look, it's one right past this 5, so it would be 60, 65 with plus 1 would be 66 degrees. Okay? So let's look down here on our next page, and I'm going to zoom out so we can see it better. We're going to use this protractor and drag it over and measure it. So remember, this dot has to be right here where it meets. And then the line comes across, so it's right here on that 0. So if we look, we're going to have to get closer so we can see. Ooh, it comes up and meets right on this line. I'm going to go back to my pointer. So it comes up right here. So this was 110, 111, 112, 113, 100, what guys? 114 degrees. Okay, so, oh wait, would it be 114 or did I do something wrong? What 0 did we use? Did we use the inside 0 or the outside 0? We used the inside 0, so we need to look right here. Well, are there measurements right here? No, but if it was 1 away from this one, it'd still be 1 away from this one, so it would be 74, or not 74, it would be 60, so we'd see 60, 65, 66 degrees. Okay, let's look at this next one. Gotta make sure my dot is in the right spot, just like that. Okay, so if I look, I'm using this inside 0. I go around 40, 45, 50, keep going. Oh, that would be 90, that would be 95, 100. It looks like it's right after 110. So this, pretend this 110 says it right here, be 110, then 111. So this one is 111 degrees. go to the next one. Put my line, make sure it lines up, perfect. So we're at 80. So we'd go, see how this is 80? This could still mean 80 and we can still count off, so it's 80. Then we go 81, 82, and it looks like it lines up right in the middle of 82 and 83. So do you think this is 82 degrees or 83 degrees? We'd round up to 83 degrees. Good job, guys. Okay, on this next one, I'm going to go back out. On this next one, it wants us, it wants us to use this protractor to create an angle that's 55 degrees. So let's try it. So I take my line and I'm going to move it so it's at 55 degrees. So right now it's at 20, 25, 30. See how if I left it there, it'd be right there. 35, 40, 45, 50. So if I put it right here, I just created an angle that's 55 degrees. Pretty cool, right? So let me move this over. Come bring it down. This one wants to create an angle that's 130 degrees. So that means I need to move this angle to 130. Do I use the inside or the outside? Like if I put it here, even though it says 130, is that really 130 degrees? It's not, because I need to use my inside. Because I'm using this inside 0, I need to use the inside numbers. So I go all the way, oops, did the wrong thing. I go all the way around till I get to 130 degrees, just like that. Okay, so now if I move this off again, let me move my view real fast. Struggle's real, guys. Oh, it's because I'm still on my view. I need to click back to this tool. There we go. Now I have a 55 degree angle right here and a 130 degree angle. Okay, I hope this helps. Make sure to message me if you still need help on this. Okay, bye.